Welcome back to CapCut video editing tutorials. In this video we will see some tips and tricks that you can implement in your videos for free in CapCut to make them look and feel even more professional. And I'm gonna start by downloading videos from the website called pexels.com. These are Creative Commons Zero license videos. And I'm gonna choose this video here of some person and download it. And another video that I'm gonna download for the background is a video of mountains, and I would like to download this one. So the first trick is cutout feature. It's used a lot in movies, TV shows, where they use green screen in the background and put some image or video that isn't actually there in real life. And CapCut allows you to make such effect without actually using green screen. All we need is the feature called cutout that is located in the video tab. So first we select the video with the person and import it. Then we choose video, cutout, and we go all the way down and click on auto cutout. Now it's analyzing the clip and loading it. Once it's finished, we can play it back and see how this person is almost perfectly cut out from the background. Now we can import another video for the background itself and put it on the lower level. So we have the person on top, and to make it more landscaped, we use this ratio feature. And we can now see that it looks like a green screen behind. But first I will trim this background video so that it's not too long. And scale it. But these are just some basic adjustments that you can do later in your video. And now let's see how it works. And with this feature, you can add not only videos, but also text, images, and basically whatever you want. Any type of media is gonna go well with this. Let's see how it looks with text now instead of the mountain video. So we duplicate the original video and cut out one of them. So we do the same thing to the primary video. Go to the video tab, cut out, and auto cutout. I have already done it, so we can get started with the text. Now we're gonna add the text layer in between these videos. So put it here. And I will prolongate it to the whole length. And scale it. You can obviously write something there and correct it however you want. So I will just write text and choose the other font that is more bold, scale it so that it's visible like this. And we can see that it was very easy to make this, to have the text in between the videos. But let's do something more interesting with this text, and we can animate it using, of course, keyframes. We have learned how to use them in the previous videos, but now it's going to be another animation. So we select the text level and go to the beginning of this clip. Then we click on scale keyframe, then we move a bit and scale it to 520%. Then we move the same amount and create a new keyframe and reduce it to 480. So you can see that our text level is animated by increasing and reducing in size. Now we select the text layer and click on compound clip, or by pressing it on Alt G on your keyboard. Then we drag it above the two other clips, and we put the playhead on where the text is reducing the size. So somewhere around here. And cut it. Then we drag the second clip back to in between the two other clips. And we can see that the text is going from the front to the back of the person, but let's make it more smooth and more professional looking. For that, I prolongate the upper level for a bit and go to animation, out, and use the fade out effect. And I will reduce the duration to 0.1 seconds. Now let's see the final result. Now I created this professional looking animation effect, and let's see the next trick that we can do in CapCut for free. Next feature is Chroma key. This one is kind of similar to what we just did because it is also connected to green screen, but now instead of putting the person on the background, we're gonna add some effects to the video. So I go to the same website, pexels.com, and type Chroma key, and we see this video here, for example, and I'll download it. Now we can import our green screen video. Here we have the cutout video of the person. We put it on the upper level, and in between them I'm gonna add this green screen chroma key effect. And now we're not gonna use the landscape ratio, but use the original one, so then we don't need to crop the person. So we have the video of a person, then on the upper level we put the green screen video, and then on the third level we have the same video with the person but cut out. So the green screen is in between two videos of the person. Next thing is we're gonna select the green screen video, go to the video tab, cut out, and chroma key. Next we're gonna use this color picker tool and click on the green area around the video. Now we can see if we bring up the strength of this tool, then we have a full-on green screen effect happening in the background. So let's see how it looks. And it also has a sound. But first I would like to put the videos of the person so that they fit together, and locate this button, locate this video here. Now we can see how it looks. And the last effect we're gonna do today is color isolation. It looks very interesting and is used in music videos and clips. But it is actually very easy to do in CapCut. We import the same video in the timeline and using the adjustment tab and then clicking on HSL, we can desaturate all the colors that we don't want. For example, I will choose red as the only color that is visible in the video. So I leave this red as it is, and the other colors I desaturate them to the maximum. So by doing that, the app erases all the other colors except for the one that we want. And let's see the result. And that's how we do the color isolation effect. It's very simple, but it looks super cool. These were 4 tricks that you can do in CapCut to up-level your videos. We learned how to add background, animated text background, chroma key effects, and color isolation. All of these effects are pretty simple in use, but they can make a big change in how your video looks and feels. And all of them are, of course, available in the free CapCut version, so you don't need to pay for the pro effects for them. And I hope you found it useful and see you in the next videos.